laughing right now.
I'm not laughing.
You're like...
You laugh, you lose. We're gonna be playing the weirdest and the funniest pieces of music to try to get the other person to laugh. In this video, the one who will lose this challenge has to be punished by giving up their shoes.
Why is he wearing constant Puma socks with leather shoes?
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Watch the whole video to find out who gets to be walking home barefoot.
First to laugh loses. We're gonna take turns playing songs on the piano for each other, and whoever laughs first loses. And what are you gonna lose?
What am I gonna lose?
Yeah.
Your
No, it's not.
Wait a minute.
That.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I don't know about that one.
What are you willing to lose?
I don't know. I didn't.
Bro,
What?
why are you wearing Puma socks, man? With leather shoes? Can we show this?
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
If you lose, which is probably what's gonna happen, you gotta
Definitely
lose those Puma socks.
So I'm gonna walk around with no socks?
Well, you gotta throw them out.
What the? These are perfectly good
I
socks.
mean, just like don't wear them anymore. It's for your own good, actually. You're actually winning here. Okay, once we start, no laughing allowed, okay?
Okay, so wait.
At
So
all.
is the losing? We're just gonna lose our socks?
you're
You gotta lose some too.
You're winning, actually. if you
Okay, what are
lose.
you gonna win?
I think I'm pretty good, man.
Yeah, I don't know about that. All right, you gotta lose a shoe.
No, these are good shoes.
Smiling should be fine.
Smiling aloud.
What the fuck is that? Yeah, well, that was the weirdest smile I've ever seen.
I'm trying to push the limit of a not laugh.
Wait, do that again? That's so creepy, bro. I don't know. All right, that is, you got like
As long as your mouth is closed, it's fine.
Yeah.
Right? Because you can go like,
well, no, that's a laugh. You know,
What?
that's a laugh.
Yeah, no.
No, like
no sounds at all?
sounds.
But I think it's gonna be so hard because once we start, like, you're gonna laugh at your own thing. You're not gonna laugh. You're gonna play like, fuck, I know I'm playing this, you're gonna laugh. So how do we define a laugh?
Like that.
So
That's the minimum.
a sound made that was not for the purpose of speech.
Sure? Yeah.
Okay, are you ready? Do we need a moment
yeah.
to enter? How about let's do, we each get one,
One life? One
like
laugh?
2 lives.
2 lives, okay.
Do
All
we
right.
even get lives? Nah, there's no lives.
Damn,
No
the first
laugh.
laugh?
Well, yeah.
All right.
Okay, I'm starting. Ready?
All right,
Are you
go.
ready? You lost. Thank you for watching.
No, you gotta get lives. One life is too hard.
Okay, you get lives, but that was 1 life lost.
No, we didn't start yet. You said already, and we didn't start yet.
Okay, how many lives? 2 lives?
2 lives.
Okay, 2 lives.
All right.
Okay, ready?
You're laughing right now.
I'm not laughing.
Yeah?
What?
You're like...
You're laughing.
No, you laughed. You laughed.
You laughed.
No, you laughed. Did he laugh? Cool, he laughed.
I
Right?
think it only counts.
You saw him laugh.
Wait.
That's not a laugh.
First of all, even if it was a laugh,
Yeah.
you laugh after we both laugh, so we both lost a life. If the other person laughed, you can't laugh and follow. So we
right,
just
maintain
both
the
lost
laugh.
1
All right,
life.
all right,
We
all
both lost 1 life.
All
We
right,
both
all
have
right,
1 life left.
all right,
Okay,
all right.
go. Is this a song? You have to play songs, I think.
To make you laugh?
Yeah. Wait, but your turn's over.
That was my turn. Wait.
What? This is my turn. No, it's your turn.
All right. That was pretty bad.
We should prep this more. I guess this is not a piano challenge. This is like a laugh challenge.
Yeah.
Why is this gonna make me laugh? That's pretty nice,
Thank you.
but it's not funny.
What the hell is a funny song?
I think it's more about delivery more than the song. It's like telling a joke, you know? No jokes are actually funny.
Jokes are pretty funny.
Tell me a funny joke.
No, you laugh first. You laugh first.
Doesn't matter first. We said the other person has to maintain and no laugh. Okay, I guess we both. Well, we have to both +1. It only counts if the other person laughs and you don't laugh.
That's impossible.
No,
bro.
I'm gonna
How-
win.
how
I'll
is
show
that?
you. Let me
That's
show you.
impossible. That's
I'm
impossible.
gonna make it work. This is tiebreaker. This is post. What is it? When you go after the game?
Post game.
Overtime?
Overtime. This is
Overtime,
overtime.
yeah.
Overtime. Make logo. Okay. I think it's gonna be hard with just the piano.
Yeah.
Like, there needs to be some sort of spoken line delivery.
Yeah.
I'll get you on the next one. I got something in mind.
Oh, really?
Wait,
So do
yeah.
I.
Almost made me laugh just thinking about it. 1 sec. I'm crying, not laughing. Here you go.
Wait.
Now we gotta go into double overtime.
1 minute later.
What kind of challenge is this, man? This should be like Alice in Borderland.
Give me a sec.
A few moments later.
All right. I just want to not look at you. That's actually the secret to winning. Just not look at you. All right, ready?
Why does my throat hurt from laughing like this? Oh shit! I lost! No! How could that be?
Yes, let's go!
It's your face, man! You should be a comedian. You don't even do anything. Just stand on stage. Just zoom in and scan at the big screen. Like, go to like what's like Carnegie Hall, and then like just have like the big screen just on your face. Go to America's Got Talent. You walk up, and then so what will we be performing for us today? And it's like, oh, golden buzzer.
I mean, hey, if I can use it, I might as well do it. But yeah, so as expected, I didn't win. So use it or lose it.
Yeah.
What are you losing?
No, I said you said use it or lose it.
Okay, well in this case you gotta lose it.
I'm gonna use
unfortunately.
it.
No,
Double
you
or
gotta lose
nothing,
it.
you lose both your shoes.
Oh,
Right now it's just one.
Double or nothing?
Double or nothing.
I'm down for that.